And if you noticed how close to wingtip is to the airport fence, this aircraft's 80 metres wide. It's the largest passenger airliner, and when it entered service, lots of the airports had to actually adapt taxiways and parking stands for the aircraft to fit. And there's actually only one stand at Manchester, contact stand, that the aircraft can park on. That's stand 12, which is at the end of Bravo Pier. The aircraft will taxi straight ahead and basically park on stand 12, which is straight ahead of its position there. It'll be on the ground for about 2 hours and is due to depart just after 2 p.m. local time back to Dubai.